Welcome to English for Future channel. This is the most important video. In this video, we are going to learn an important lesson. The lesson is about some informal contractions. The first one, gotta, for got to. Here, for example, I'm sorry, I gotta go, I've got to go. And got to means must or have to. And here, the second one is gonna. Gonna is another form of going to. For example, we can make sentence, I'm gonna go, or I'm gonna pay the bill. Here, the third one would be needa. Need to. Needa, for instead of need to, we can use. And it's informal. For example, we need a leave now. Here, the some others informal contractions are wanna, want to, I wanna learn English, have to, and for example, in a sentence, I have to write an application. And the next one, has to. Has to is used with a third person singular number. Here, she has to go now. She has to go now. Give me, the next one, for give me. And in example, we can say, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. In a speed way, let me. Instead of let me, we can say let me. In a sentence, let me say something. And the next one, kinda, for kind of. For kind of, or instead of kind of. What kind of problem you face? What kind of problem you face? Outer instead of out of. Outer instead of out of. In sentence, we can say get out of my sight, get out of my mind, get out of my mind. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that this informal contraction will help you to speed up your speaking. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay connected and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.